today. The sun is shining, but look, we've got a bit of frost on the grass.
Dogs.
Somebody's walking past with lots of dogs. Our neighbour across the road gave me those flowers. She said somebody had given them to her, but she didn't like them because they smelt. And I smelt them and I said, well, I can't smell anything wrong with them. She says, me and my husband don't like the smell of them. And we unless we've got funny noses, we can't smell anything wrong with them. But they smell really nice. And these are dead and dying ones that I've got. And I'll put this light across, which looks nothing at the moment. At night time it looks lovely. I'll show you what it's like at night time later on. And in the meantime we have, guess who we have crying? Where is she? A little cat who wants a dinner. A little cat who wants a dinner, don't you? Yeah, you do. Say hello to everybody. This is you want your dinner, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Do you? You want your dinner? I haven't got it yet. I'm going to get it for you. Oh no. Well, I've never had these before. Gluten-free crumpets. I'm going to try a couple of them. See what I like, give you my honest opinion. They're very heavy. Doing it one-handed. Very heavy. Melted Benecol. Let's see what it tastes like. Can I just say they taste awful. I think I'm going to go back to my cheese and biscuits. I've only had one mouthful. It's like chewing sawdust. Ugh. It's a very frosty day today. Very frosty, but very sunny. That's a little ladyship sitting on the windowsill. But when we were coming back from, well, when we were going to his lordship's daughter's house on Monday night, she lives in a housing estate and they all have their Christmas decorations in the garden as big as possible. And we passed one that I particularly liked. And I said, oh, he didn't see it. And I said, oh, I've just seen a lovely Christmas decoration because I told you the other day that I bought some lights and I didn't want to copy the other ones. So we saw them. And so I then said, oh, this is what you do. You do this, that and the other. And he won't let me do it because I did a woodworking course years ago and I love woodworking. But he won't, every time I try to do something, he says, no, I'll do it. You don't do it. And I keep saying, well, I'm qualified, you know. But he won't have it and I just let him get on with it. So anyway, we went yesterday and we bought some wood. And this is him measuring it out. And hopefully tonight I'll let you see, or fingers crossed he gets it sorted by tonight, I'll let you see what it turns out like and whether it looks anything like the one that I saw. But we have loads of Christmas lights, so I think we're going to be all right. So watch this space. There's that pussycat. Hello, pussycat. And there's the dog. Hello, doggy. Oh, there's a pussycat too. No package is glowing today, I don't think. That one is. Oh, this is my favourite game. I already have this game. Let's see if I can play it next. Play the game. Oh no, sorry, that one. My mother used to be very good at this. And she always ended up with one in the middle, and I still can't do it. Sorry, I still can't do it. But I'm going to stop there because otherwise I'll bore you to tears, but that's a great game to play. Yes. Oh, the dog's there now. Hello, doggy. So where's the pussycat gone to? There's one there. Where's the other one? Oh, look, there's a present glowing here as well. Oh, Christmas recipes. I won't do them all because then it'll be something that you can look at. This has to be the most photographed area that most photographed view that I ever take. It's just outside our home with a little road behind it, but it gets beautiful sunsets behind it.